All right, guys, this is Mrs. Lyons, and Happy New Year. It is 2024, and we're going to do something a little bit different in terms of blended chemistry this year, and also in terms of traditional chemistry. Anytime we have notes in the notes packet, I am going to make a video as I fill those notes in so that if you happen to be absent on a day when we take notes, if you feel up to it when you're home, you can go ahead and get those notes and see the practice. So when you come back to school, you're on target. Or if you're too sick to do notes while you're out, you can still. It won't be so necessary for us to meet in order for you to get the content that you missed. Okay. So with that said, our first day of notes. Is just a single page, and we're introducing this concept of the mole. Okay, and when you think of a mole, you probably think of something on a person's face, or you think of a little fuzzy blind animal. In chemistry, the mole is a way to measure. Okay, so chemistry is a quantitative science. And what that means is that we have to quantify or count how much matter we have. Okay, so chemistry is based on numbers. There's a lot of math to do with chemistry. Okay, when we count matter, okay, chemicals, compounds, elements, there are three different ways. We can count the number of atoms, molecules, or formula units. Okay, and it's important to kind of define why we have these three terms. Okay, an atom is just a single particle. A molecule is a compound that is covalent, meaning it only has nonmetals. And a formula unit is used to describe a compound that is ionic. Okay, so we have atoms, we have molecules, we have formula units. You may see me abbreviate molecule. Sometimes I use the abbreviation MC. And for formula unit, you will see I use the abbreviation FU. Okay, so it's important to know that vocabulary. All right. Now, the second way that we can quantify matter is in terms of mass, and mass is measured in grams. And then finally, we can count matter in terms of volume. Okay, and volume typically what we'll see is liters. Okay, so in chemistry, one of the reasons we have this whole idea of the mole is that we have such tiny particles. Okay, and a mole helps us to count those particles. Okay. So what you're going to do now is you are going to click on the link in the weekly preview. There's an article and a video that you are going to watch and answer some questions. Okay, so that is your blended work for today. So make sure you watch that video, answer those questions, and I will see you in class.